Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fog in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add fog in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, choose the photo that you want to add fog to. For now, I'll choose this photo. Now, to add the fog, simply click on Edit option at the bottom menu. Now, select the curve, point over here, and now increase it to your liking till it gives the foggy effect, just like that. And once you're happy, click on Done. Now, to further enhance the fog effect, simply click on Effect option right here and decrease the dehaze, and similarly also the clarity. And just like that, we have added the fog effect in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.